Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today in this video we are going to work with this model and we will build it together step by step. For that we are creating on first a part in SolidWorks, and here on the front plane we are creating a sketch. And the first thing that I would like to do, creating here a group of lines where we are going to convert them to construction geometry after. These two can be equal to make sure that our sketch is looking neat. This is 40, and now here we can create by directional offset with 2 mm. Bidirectional should be active, and here we are going to create 5. In total we will have 10 mm difference between two line dimensions. Sorry, I made all of them construction geometry, and I'm going to add my first items. Till now everything was a supportive items in the sketch. Now we are going to create the real objects. This 2 point is horizontal. How we make that? We click our control and we give relationship. We should be on this line. Yes. And now our dimensions. This is 4. This is 8. In the middle we will have a spline where we connect these two lines tangentially, and here we have a 30 and here we have a 32. It's going pretty good. This was the maybe most interesting part of sketch. Now the next operation, offset 5, again active. We make here a bidirectional offset, and again here, but here now 2. To make it a little bit clear for you, I can hide my dimensions for a while, and then I'm adding 2 spline. Again same operation, selecting 2 objects while my control is pressed. I'm creating here relations and then dimensions. This is 32, this is 30. Again very crowded. Let's hide them, and we are going to give again tangency relationship. A tangency relationship also here. 30 and 32. And last time I'm hiding and showing you what we have done. Radius 4, 2 time in 2 direction offset, which is 2 by 6, here 8, and 5 mm offset 3, and should be 15 or 16, yeah, by 13, sorry, and then 3 spline. Now we can go to next step. Next step is creating our profile on the right plane. I open there a sketch, and here I will create a rectangle shape, but not in fact rectangular. It's not that much neat how I have done always, but yeah, for now we can do that one also. Collinear for construction equal, and then I can place this on the center, saying this one here horizontal, this is vertical according to the shape seams. And now I bring this point onto this line and same pierce. Hide here 4. I didn't use this one, then I needed to remove my relations, which is like a perpendicular to each other. But now I will use here on the right plane again a sketch, this one, and 3 point center rectangle active, and I just select here. While Control is pressed, two edges equal. We can make coincident here, and then simply I'm going to make a pierce. While Control is pressed, this form is done. That's great. Now one more important thing. This was our main sketch. Now we should separate this sketch into three different sub-sketch. I'm changing my color. On front plane, I'm opening a sketch, and firstly I will convert outer curve and say OK. On front plane, one more sketch. This is converted. This should be converted, and I'm saying OK. And front plane, this two again, three again converted. When we hide it, we will see what we have done. These are profiles: 4 this one, 5 this one, and 6 this one. Now we can go to another step. We will create now 3D dimensional curve with project curve. Now I am going to create on front plane, no, right plane, a sketch where I will put a arc from this point to this point, and I'm saying here UB 70. Okay, this is first step. And then after, what I'm doing here, coming project curve, selecting two curve and letting program to make for me a 3D curve. First is done. And now I'm going to use the same sketch to create the curve here at the bottom. Then I should show this one, and I should go right plane, here creating one more arc. Here also making 70. Okay. Coming again, project curve, selecting two object and creating that one. Yeah, that's nice. And we can hide this one now. We don't need to spend time with that. Two more and then we will be finally done. On the right plane, a sketch, an arc from out to in. I'm coming and here saying you are 70. Okay. This will be used for this outer curve, saying project curve, selecting two, and now there I have one really 3D curve. And the last operation will be here, right plane, combining this 2 point. If you follow that curve where it is ending, that I'm placing my new curve, my new arc, and at the 70, where is 70, I'm creating one arc, and then we go project curve, selecting these two. Sorry for my voice, I had just corona and it's not fully healed yet. Yeah, thanks for understanding. Now we are going to use Loft. We select Loft, most nice part, and let's pick this 2 point and guide curves. Curve 1, curve 2, curve 3, and curve 4. Everything looking nice. And are we able to open a profile here? Yes. Normal to profile, or not? Yeah, not, in fact, because we constrained a lot with curves. We will leave it how it is because all these curves are normal to this point. We say okay, and then we have got this nice guy. If you look, yes. Now we can create fillet. Variable size fillet will be there, and control point 1, and we need this 3, 4 point, one ending point, one starting point. We can define here a radius. Let's say 0.25. 0.25. Here maybe 1. Here maybe 1. Here 1. And here one more. I do not make a full preview, that's why you don't see. We can make it, but it's always drain your system resources. It will be hard if you're not really good, having good computer. Exactly, we create that shape. Now the most beautiful part, just copying. I select one plane and one point under reference geometry and axis, creating. Now circular pattern 2, and body is this, and now I have got a copy. You see, we have got a copy, and then I want to make a combine display state, and we can add some material. It is looking nice, right? Isn't it? Yeah. Thanks for watching. It was a really nice example, especially dealing with project curve command and the loft. I think with this example you can learn a lot about this function. This is very much used in surface modeling and advanced modeling in order to create 3D dimensional curves, well constrained. We can use normally 3D sketch in order to reach these curves, but it takes a lot of time and it is really hard if you are not having a good command on program. Thanks for watching. If you appreciate the video, please do like my video, hit the like button and make a comment. If you do search another videos, please do visit my channel. You will find there a lot of good material to practice with SolidWorks. See you in another video.